Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm here to give you value. I'm here to tell you new way of making money online, and you do not want to miss out on this new making money online opportunity. And it's not really open to everybody. Most people don't know it. It's not that everywhere like that. People, not everybody is doing it. So that is why this is for you. I'm talking about no other business model than CPA. So what does CPA mean? Simply means partnering with companies abroad and getting a commission for what you do, and you can get to up to 100% to 50% commission. And why are they doing this? Why are they giving 100% to 50% to 200% commission? They are doing this because they know that for one single customer that you bring for them, it can give them like 200% profit or 300% profit than what you have done. So how does CPA work? How do you start CPA? You might be confused. Okay, Peter, you're talking about CPA. How do I get started? How do I do this thing? CPA business model is a very simple business model. All you have to do is look for a CPA offering company, and you partner with them. Simply means cost per action, cost per lead, cost per anything. All you have to do is just make people take an action. So you might decide to partner with a forex company like Xnex. So when you partner with Xnex will now give you a your affiliate link. So when they give you your affiliate link, so whenever you generate a lead for them, they are going to pay you. So for instance, you generate one person to join Xnex. For that one person that you get, Xnex can decide to give you $200. Those people did not buy anything. They only did what? They only joined Xnet. So that's why I said CPA is cost per lead or cost per action. So if you can cause a person to take action for your particular CPA brand, for a particular CPA deal, then you are going to get paid. So why not just jump on this CPA marketing and start making money for yourself? Like I said, I think is way more easier than affiliate marketing, because you are not telling anybody to buy. You're only telling them to take an action, to make a subscription, to use an app, to download an app. You just literally making people take action. And that is why CPA is a very good business model for young adults like you and I. Even though you are not young, even though you are old and you're still watching this video, CPA can work for just any person. So far you have a smartphone, internet connection, even a system, who knows, but it can just work for you. It can just work for you. So CPA is not for you if you are not patient enough. CPA is not for you if you do not have the zeal to want to make money online. CPA is not for you if you do not have the zeal to want to change your finances. CPA is for those young people, those old people that are going through a lot and want to come out from a lot and want to make money for themselves and be happy and live a good life. So I recommend you get a CPA course, study it and implement it and start making money for yourself. CPA is one way to make money for yourself. Like my boss would say, CPA has made millionaires out of ordinary people, and you should not be missing out on. So why not just get a CPA course today, invest in yourself and start making money for yourself? So you can drop in the comment section if you are really interested in learning CPA. I'll give you a link to get the course and how to go about it and start making money for yourself. So that's how CPA works. You just have to partner with a company. Once you partner with a company, they give you your affiliate link. Once they give you affiliate link, you begin to look for people to take an action, or just join, or just take an action that the company will give you. Because whatever CPA deal company that you join, they are going to give you a task, and it's that task that you are going to carry out, that you are going to use to make your money in dollars. So whatever tax you are given for any CPA CPA company you join, that is what you are going to be doing. And sincerely, you cannot just begin to go and look for CPA companies on your own. That is where you are going to be stressed. That is where you are going to be saying, okay, this thing that this guy is saying is not working. But once you have a community, once you have gotten a course that you have a guide on, you can actually work with that guide in getting your CPA journey started. So it is better it's better you go with a community than you go alone. Meaning that if you decide to do it all by your own, you might take months or years before you start getting yourself together. But if you go with the community, if you go with people that have the roadmaps, it is going to be easier for you to get successful. So it's better you go with people that have the roadmap, and you can only go that way by getting a course on CPA or getting a mentor already doing CPA. I can recommend Praise Akinlami. You can search them on Twitter. Praise Akinlami, I'll go again. Praise Akinlami, Michael Olatunji. Those are the top 2 CPA affiliates in Nigeria. So if you can search out these guys, and who knows, you might decide to get a mentorship from them, but it's way too expensive. But you can get cheaper courses. I can recommend cheaper courses for you to get started with your CPA journey. Stay here for more info on how to make money online. I remain your dear friend Edun Peter. Cheers.